cross the lines with anyone.
Got it.
You familiar with the map switch?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Have fun, man.
Thank you. KTM 450 and map 2 finally. Map 1 was horrible. Map 2 feels good so far. Luckily, I've rode this track before because I have not been out on this track yet today. So these are more or less warm-up laps. Bike feels good though. I have no idea what keeps the gas and tabletop. Vibration in my hands and my cowie, but nothing like the old KTM. The front wheel's a little more planted than my cowie. The power's very strong but still smooth. And it does feel a lot more flickable, without a doubt.
Alright guys, KTM actually lets you ride 4 models and then also gives you a bonus. So if you want to ride a 5th or if you want to ride one of those 4 again. So I put the 450 up here and stood around for 5 minutes. Nobody wanted to hop on the 450. Nobody was riding it. So I thought, well, heck, I liked it. I only really got 1 decent lap on it. I thought, man, I'm going to hop on it and use my bonus and ride it again. So I did.
Alright guys, I'm going to get 2 more laps on the 450. Man, just when I'm thinking my motocross days might be slowing down, and I kind of get on something new and exciting like this. Once I get out here on my cowie, I'll be able to have a little better feeling of how the bike can compare.
quick note here, guys, I really did not notice much difference with the traction control, but after a few seconds, I really wasn't thinking about it anymore anyway. So it's just something I'd have to ride with more and hit the same corners over and over again with it on and off to really know the extent of it. Yeah, I really do.
Yeah. What are you riding now?
I've been on Cali's for 15 years. Yeah.
So you're probably not getting off.
I don't know, man.
Have you rode a new Kawasaki?
I'm on a 16 now. I've not rode a 19 yet. 19 Gen yet.